want to try something a little different. Pour painting for Valentine's Day. But first, you need tan, brown, white, later blue, baby green, and more white, and paint pour medium. Floetrol's the best. You don't need this much. This is a lot. And silicone oil. Also just a little tiny bit of that too. And water and cups and popsicle sticks or spoons. It's a lot of stuff. But first we start with some regular painting. So get a big old brush and your tan. Mix some white into it. Maybe a little bit of brown. We're doing something beachy. It's beachin', man. From here to here. Make it all tannish, brownish, whitish. Just mix it on there. I like to go XXX, mush, 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 so that it's not perfect and it's cool and textury. Cool. Medium brush. Brown. 2 little hearts. 1. Let it mix into that tan. It's totally fine. 2. Maybe some little dashes. And here's the cute part. Put your initials in the hearts. Plus. Now we're going to let that dry while we get all our paint pour stuff ready. We got to go flat. So I'll see you at the table. You need equal amounts of paint. However many colors you want. I got green, white, I found some silver, ooh, and blue. And each one gets its own cup. Floetrol, same amount as paint. Bloop. 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 Stir them all. Half the amount of water. Stir. It should be loose. You want it loose but not watery. Right before watery. Three-ish drops in every color except white. Don't do white. 1, 2, 3. Oops. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Stir it just a little bit. No. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Canvas, paper towels. Start with white and just pour it along that part. And then let's give it some stripes. Stripe, stripe, blue, stripe, stripe, stripe. Why not? How about more? Ooh, silver. Stripe, stripe, stripe. Ooh, whoops. How about a little green for fun? Stripe, stripe. stripe. Uh-oh, I should have gotten a trash can ready. Trash can! Line up your paper towel on the white part. Little tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. And then we're just going to pull. Wiggle it a little. Ooh. Look at this mess I made. Tilt it a little. Tilt it back. And then stop when you're happy. You can fix it with your popsicle stick if you need to. Check this out. And then let it dry forever. Happy painting!